Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to fix Hamster Kombat black screen issue. If you're going through the black screen issue on your Hamster Kombat using a mobile device, then here are some potential solutions to fix it. First of all, you will need to force close your Telegram application. Swipe up from the bottom of your home screen on your mobile device and you will notice an app switcher. Push upwards on the app switcher and then this will force close the Telegram app. Once you force close the application, the next step you'll need to perform is to restart your device. Press and hold down the appropriate power button for your mobile devices. The buttons might vary depending upon your device type. Restart your device, and once you are done, the next thing to do is to go to your app store. Now search for the Telegram app, and if there is an update available for the Telegram app, simply tap on update to download the latest version of Telegram. Once you download the latest version of Telegram, tap open the app and then sign in if necessary. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on data and storage. From the data and storage page, select storage users at the top. Now click on clear entire cache and click the clear entire cache option again in the pop-up. Once you clear out the storage space for your Telegram app, you can now get back to the main home page of Telegram. Once you're inside, go to the search box and search for Hamster Kombat, and then tap on the play button at the bottom left. Soon after you do that, you will be able to load the Hamster Kombat bot. If the problem still continues, try disabling your application from your device. Press and hold the Telegram app and tap on the remove app or the delete app button and delete your application from your device. Once you've deleted your Telegram app, get back to your App Store or your Play Store and reinstall the app again. After you do that, open the app and you might be able to fix your Hamster Kombat black screen issue on your mobile device. So those were some of the fixes you could follow and try. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.